All right, Brianna. My name's Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So if you could please forward this to whoever would be the best person to see it, I would really appreciate that. So you're probably asking or wondering, why am I even making this video in the first place? And I've realized that there are a lot of small business owners out there that are just so busy running their business and taking care of their customers that they really don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only reason or thing that is stopping them from doing that is they don't really know who is a true expert and who is not. So what I've started doing is creating an attack plan to show small business owners and just giving them away for free. Some people take this information and do it themselves. Some people call me back and say, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I just don't have the time or tools or know how to get this done correctly. Whatever you guys decide to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn something from this and to help you make a lot of money. So it's Q4 2022. I know a lot of companies have goals for 2023 and how they can grow and scale. And I think this can be a really important step for you guys. So I'm going to talk to you guys about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So what I'm going to do is compare your website here to your number 1 competitor online. These guys, when you type in water restoration companies in Colorado Springs, these guys show up as the top organic search. Okay. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So what Google cares mostly about when ranking a website is content. So the average site on Google has about 1,500 words on their homepage. So that would be a good starting place for you guys, is to get up to that 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. So I copied and pasted into this word finder here, word counter, and you guys are at 787 words. So if I were in your shoes, I would start there. But what's even more important than the actual number of words is the content itself. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords all throughout your website. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for the product or service that you can provide them. So for example, air conditioning repair in Denver. That's very specific. Somebody needing an air conditioning to repair their air conditioner in Denver is probably going to type that in. So here's your guys' website. This is a site called Ahrefs. I put your domain in here and it just analyzes your website. So it's a paid tool, but you can find some out there for free. So this shows that you guys have 37 keywords in your website. So when I go over to this company, Deep Water, this is their analytics right here. So they have 653 keywords compared to your 37 keywords. So that's where you guys should start. You should take as many keywords as you can from their site, whatever they are ranking for, and add all of those to your website and more. So this is a good keyword: sewage backup cleanup, Castle Rock. Somebody in Castle Rock who needs a sewer line backup repair or cleanup, they're probably going to search for this. Mold mites, even though there's 8,500 people searching for this per month, that does not mean it's a buyer intent keyword. That this person doesn't, they're not searching to get that service in your particular area. Same with bedroom mold mites. That's not a good one. Here's a good one: deep water restoration, Colorado Springs. So you want to add as many keywords that have buyer intent as possible. And one thing you can do as well is save all these photos as keywords. So instead of service area, you can do water damage repair Denver, water damage repair Colorado Springs, for example. That's how you can do that as well. Okay, so start there, get up to 1,500 keywords. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. So a backlink is like a shout out. Anytime another website is linking back to your website, driving traffic to you, that is considered a backlink. So if you're on a blog post or if some other company is shouting you out or linking to yours, that's a backlink. So we can look, you guys have 130 backlinks coming from 12 different websites. And between these backlinks and keywords, you're not getting much traffic. Okay, so let's look at your top competitor who's showing up on the top page of Google. They have 1,400 backlinks from 200 domains. Along with their keywords, they're getting a lot more traffic per month than you guys are. So again, all you need to do is figure out where their backlinks are, and you can click on this and it will allow you to go through all of these. So 20 best Colorado Springs mold remediation companies, expertise.com. So you can click on that, get yourself listed, create a login, list your website on here, and that would count as a backlink. So if I were in your shoes, I would go through each and every one of these, get yourself added and link it to your website and beat out this, how many did they have? Beat out the number that they have, 1,400. Because if that's enough to get them ranked to the top page, if you can beat that, that would be enough to get you beating them, okay? So the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is how to get into the Google Map Pack. So how do you get your company listed right here? So the way you do that is with citations. So a citation is anywhere you can put your business name, address, and phone number into a directory. So a directory is, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, LinkedIn, Facebook, anywhere you can put that information, you want to do that. So I would figure out how many directories Restoration 1 is in and beat that out and do more. So if they're in 150 directories, you should add yourself to all those same directories and then like 50 to 100 more so that you can outrank them there as well. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. You can take this information and get started and do it yourself. If you guys have questions or if you need help or if you want to know more, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to go over this stuff with you in depth and figure out a way that we can allow you guys to hit your goals in 2023. Either way, it's totally fine with me, but I appreciate your time and I'll let you guys get back to your day. Thanks so much, and I look forward to your feedback. Bye.